So this is a good one right here for you guys that like Under Armour shoes, clothing, products. This is how you can get them for free. Basically, they will send you products just to test out, and you're allowed to keep them up to 1 or 2 months. So this one is pretty cool. They'll send you products that fit your description. So I'll put the link in the description so you guys can sign up. Just click on the link, fill out your information, and they'll send you some as soon as they have some that fits your criteria, so to speak. Me, they don't have any for me at the current moment, but yours might be a little different depending on your height, your weight, and the areas you stay in, things of that nature. So, like I said, I'll put the link in the description. Sign up. They're gonna send you an email to confirm your email, and then you're going to get in the field test portal, as they call it. This is mine right here. Like some of my sizes that I pick like double XL for me, as you can see here. So I'll get some of these products right here as soon as they'll become available. That's really it, guys. There's nothing else to it. Just sign up, get some free clothes, get some free shoes. That's it. But before you go, don't forget to like the video if you found this valuable, and go ahead and check out my other videos. As I said earlier, I made one on Nike, New Balance, Adidas, and I have multiple videos on how to make free money online, and I will post more. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you can get notified first. Till then, make some money easy and take care. Peace.